Go.
Just learning about actual mechanical advantage and ideal mechanical advantage and how it works and stuff. And it was a surprise that she took us out here and we were racing our cars around. And the best one is the race car.
Is that we were supposed to find the simple machines that were in the project and analyze how they were being utilized and potential ways that we could make them better for speed, efficiency, that sort of thing.
It's a fun project, and it also helps us learn about simple machines like gears and axles and all that stuff.
Get over.
44 seconds.
The whole hands-on helps me learn a lot better than listening to a lecture for 30 minutes and then going to do like practice problems or something. This sort of helps me see it in a practical way. Seeing it finally finished and like being actually complete, and after like hours of building it and stuff, it's like just the satisfaction, I guess.